Gold and silver both have taken a sharp turn yesterday and has come back to the favorite support levels at 1940 and 2340. Both respected the levels beautifully till now. So what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Also, you can join our free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we look into gold, followed with silver. To watch till the end. Now, if you look at the hourly charts of gold, certainly it has breached the channel which was there, which was supporting the price till now. However, one must note that 1940 certainly has provided it a next support and it is still yet respected beautifully. Now what to expect? See, 1940 it has formed a bottom and since then it has retraced. Now if it trades above 1950 you can buy again, but then 1954 and then 1957-60. Now remember one fact. See, when I say a nearby resistance, it means there is a resistance. Yesterday we talked about that if it breaks out beyond 1967, the nearest resistance is at 1970, just $3 away, but there is a resistance. What happened? It achieved 1970 as reverse. Now that is why these levels are very important. You have to note that these are markets and can swing any which ways any point in time. Just one must note that what is the level. If one level breaks, then what is the next target, and till then target you have to either book profits or you have to book 50%, or you have to trail your stop loss such that at least your profits are preserved and at least your capital is preserved. And hence now you can buy here at 1950 levels, 50 or 51 levels, and here you will find the next resistance at 54-55 zone, the next, and beyond that every $5 just put a trailing stop loss. Beyond 1950-51 just put a $5 trailing stop loss. Very critical zone for today is 50, 54, 55 levels. Rather, this zone completely is very critical. If it stays above this, you can say it has reversed and we can again see it coming back to this zone. Now you can see this was a sharp drop. It can again try to take a complete U-turn and fall back within the zone. Possibility exists for this. At the same time, trading below 1940, there is no option for you but to stay short below 1940, and you can expect that we are going to look at 35.30 and below 30. It is going to give you sharper fall there till 1915, 1900 and 1870, if not today, possibly sometime this week or next week. See, if you see the direction movement here is bearish, stochastic is overbought. See, hardly it retraced few dollars and it has come to overbought level. This is the beauty here. The MACD is on the verge of a crossover. This is a bullish cross it is trying to see. RSI is almost flat, and on the likewise on the 2-hour chart, see moving average is crossed over here, traded with divergence. This is still bearish. Now price is at can try to converge still towards these levels, and which means that it can try to fall back again in this zone. If it stays above 1950, possibility exists that it may fall back again to the consolidation levels. Till the time 40 is respected, possibility of a reversal exists. However, I will tell you why it can break 1940. Now see, direction movement is bearish, stochastic looking upwards. MACD is also trying to converge crossover. It is not yet crossed over. RSI almost flat at bottom. Now look at 3-hour. On the 3-hour charts, first observation is a flat bottom. Second observation, see these two candles almost stayed at the same levels. Third is this candle taking the support from the bottom of the channel trying to reverse. Now there is a very strong possibility that at least 1950-51 levels to get achieved, and beyond that there is a possibility to hit 1955-60 levels also. I would love to see it falling back within the zone. If it is bullish, then we might see it hitting those levels. Direction movement here is bearish. Stochastic is oversold, which calls for a possible little recovery. At the same time, MACD is bearish, willing to converge. RSI almost flat. And on the 4-hour chart, now see on the 4-hour charts, we can consider this as reversal. First, this green candle, and now the second green candle. Once, even if it stays above 48 levels, you can buy for 51. See, 51, 55, 55 is a greater. We have already seen 55, 54 levels giving it a very strong resistance while the prices were trading above. Now, on the upside, these are going to be the resistance level which it needs to pass by in order to confirm the rise. Also, the direction movement, if you see, it is bearish. You can see the exponential moving average trading with divergence. Here direction movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD is bearish, and RSI is almost flat at bottom. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily, what we are seeing here is a flat bottom, lower highs, and now the lower highs means 1960 65. So even if it tries to reverse completely, possibility for it to show a squeeze exists here. It has to break past either of this zone in order to confirm a direction. Right now it appears it is trying to retrace, and possibility exists that here also, if you look at a rise and one sharp drop, then lower highs, then one sharp drop. So a flat bottom, that is what is sure, but a reversal is what we will look forward to, how far it can stretch. Certainly now 1960 65 levels is what it is going to be the maximum resistance for the day. Directional movement here is bearish, stochastic is looking down. Only thing here is, see, the MACD is almost flat and it is at bottom again. It is almost at the lower levels, and it has seen a good sharp drop till now. So a possible retracement can be expected, but on the weekly charts, this is still bearish. RSI looking down here. Considering this, you can buy here at 1948, but then 51, 54, 60 are the major 57, 60 till 60. You have to put a $3 trailing stop loss. Till 1960, you have to put a $3 trailing stop loss. Till 1960, you have to put a $3 trailing stop loss. I have repeated it 3 times. Do not repeat the mistake. Remember, it can reverse again. We are trying to capture the retracement movement. Retracement means a direction it has taken and it is now trying to retrace, and it should be called a reversal till the time the previous highs are not broken. That is, yesterday's high of 1970 is not broken. We should call this as retracement, that just it is trying to match up the fall which it has taken, and hence $3 trailing stop loss till 1960. Beyond 1960, it is going to be a $5 trailing stop loss till 1985. That is how you can always preserve your profits. Remember, $3 movement in gold is not a small deal. Please capture your profits accordingly. On the downside, you can sell here at 1940. Below that, 1935, 36 first target, 1930, 31 next target, and then we may see a very good fall, if not today, possibly tomorrow, next week. If it stays below 1930, we are going to stay bearish for 1915, 1900 and 1870 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. 23rd batch starts on 1st of July. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. Trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. Now 2340 for silver. What a beauty it is. You see how beautiful the levels are. And yesterday we discussed beyond 2380, it is $24. It precisely achieved 24 and then has seen a good fall again back to 2340 levels. What a beautiful moment we have seen yesterday. Now look at this. What has happened? 2340 certainly giving it a very, very good support. Now on the hourly charts, if you look at, see, for once it has breached the channel. Second is, it is also breached the previous highs. That is one important point to note for silver, and now it is trying to fall back within this zone. This is the consolidation zone in which silver has traded since long, that is 2360, 2380. Now if you look at on the hourly chart, see one bullish candle, couple of retracement candles, and this up move. Hence only and only buy entry is about 2360, or see, till 2380 levels we are getting very, very good resistance for silver. In fact, 2360 itself is a very good resistance. 60, 65 till 80, one has to remain extra cautious. See, it is not in my interest to tell you that preserve your profits, preserve your money, but since it's your money, it should be in your interest to trade accordingly. If you get greedy, trade without a stop loss, trade without trailing stop loss. These are markets. Everything will be taken in just single candle. Hence, one has to be extra cautious and attentive. There is no harm. There is no over smartness works in market. These are markets. These will take your profits in one single candle. Hence, put a trailing stop loss, as we say. So beyond 2360, just put a 5 cents trailing stop loss. Nothing more, nothing less. 65, 70, very, very good resistance. Then 80. And beyond 80, again, we will see it hitting $24 levels. Now see, directional movement bullish here, stochastic near to overbought, MACD trying to converge crossover for a buy, RSI flat, and on the 2-hour chart. Now look at the 2-hour chart, see one bullish candle, flat bottom is what we are seeing here, and one bullish candle, now a retracement candle, and now it is trying to rise again. Possibly this candle might try to hit 2360 levels, 2360, 65. Very good resistance there. We can see it falling back within the consolidation zone. Directional movement bullish, stochastic rising, MACD at bottom, RSI flat, nothing indicative here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, now look beautifully on the 3-hour charts, there is a reversal sign, there is a flat bottom, see multiple candles getting the resistance at the same levels, and at the same time higher lows are seen. It is falling back within the zone. Now let it stay above 2360, 65. You can expect a reversal from there till towards 2380 levels again. Directional movement moderately bullish, stochastic oversold, MACD bearish and at bottom, RSI flat, not indicative, indicators are not indicating anything as of now. Almost everything is flat. You can see your movement is also flat. It is trading very much within the zone. Now look at 4-hour. On the 4-hour chart, similar is the observation, but one point to note here is the 20 period moving average giving it a very good resistance. You can see double top here, that is 2356, and hence any move beyond 2360 you can buy there and expect till 2365 is also, you can see multiple candles rejected by 2365, 2365, 70, very good resistance. Then 80 levels will be seen. 2380 is the major resistance which it needs to pass by. Beyond that, again I will look forward to $24 levels. Directional movement bullish, stochastic oversold, MACD at bottom, RSI flat, and on the daily chart. Now look at the daily charts. First of all, this is the bearish channel in which silver has been trading since long, and now yesterday it tried to breach the channel, failed to stay above the channel. That is first point. Second point, with the flat bottom it is trying to recover. It has to stay above 2360. Beyond that, again we can expect more bullishness, and remember, it can give you equally good bullish candle from here. That is also equally possible. Directional movement here is bearish, stochastic has dropped. MACD on the other hand has crossed over, and it is trading, and it is crossing over at a lower levels which can still bring or pull up the prices. RSI comfortable. Considering this, by 2360 till 2380 you have to remain extra cautious and attentive. It is your money, not my money, and hence if you are not paying attention to the resistances, not paying attention to the levels, not paying respect to the levels, markets are not run by you. Remember this fact. So please preserve your capital by using stop losses and trailing stop loss. Beyond 2380, $24 is the target which it will definitely try to hit. On the downside, below 2340 till 2320, it's a 10 cents trailing stop loss. 2320 is the next major support, and below 2320, 23, 2280, 2250 are the next targets. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship and join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.